Great morning, children. Today we are going to start lesson 6 of EVS, that is, we need shelter. So, children, what is the learning objective of this lesson? After reading the lesson, you will be able to identify different types of house and write simple sentence about the type of houses. Let's start the reading. What are you doing, Saina? Here is a boy tells to the Saina, what are you doing? And Saina is speaking, I am putting my doll to sleep in her house. She will sleep comfortably in it. So children, why we need house? Need for a house. Everyone needs a shelter to live. You know that everyone needs a shelter to live. Houses keep us safe from hard weather, wild animals, and dust. Houses are built according to the climate of the place where we live. Walls, door, window, and roof have to be made to suit the climate. So children, we all need a house to live in. A house protects us from sun, rain, cold, and storm, and it keep us safe from thieves and stray animals. It also keeps away dust, dirt, and the insects. So children, in this chapter we will learn about the kind of houses. Houses are of many kinds. People build houses according to their need. Which type of need to them? So children, first is portable house. Houses that can move easily are called portable house. What is portable house? That can move easily. Houses that can move easily are called portable house. A tent is a portable house. Why tent is a portable house? Because it can be moved anywhere. And it is made up of clothes. Soldier and campers live in it. Campers are the people that live in a camp. And a houseboat floats on the water. You know that houseboats float on our water, and it is also a portable house because it can be moved in the water. So children, now the kacha house. Kacha house are made up of mud, wood, bamboo, clay, and straw. They are temporary. Temporary means not permanent, and they can be broken down and rebuilt easily. These type of houses are broken down and rebuilt easily, and these are also called huts. Hut are the example of kacha house. Here you will see the material that are used to make the kacha house, like mud, wood, bamboo, clay, and a straw. And mud house are made usually mud and straw, and they are built in the villages. If you are going in the villages, you will see the mud house. And huts are made up of mud and straws, and this type of houses are built in villages. Mud walls and straw roofs keep houses cool even in summer. So children, it keeps house cool in the summer. And second houses are pakka house. Pakka house made up of bricks, cement, steel, iron, concrete. Concrete, what is a concrete? It's a mixture of cement, sand, small stones, and water. And woods are called pakka house, and they are stronger than the kacha or portable house. Portable house means which can move easily. And wood are called pakka house. They are stronger than kacha or portable house. Most people in cities and town live in pakka house. So children, we see pakka house in the cities and kacha house in the villages. Pakka houses are of many types, like a single story house which has only one floor, a double story house which has two floors. Bungalow are a big houses with lawn. Here lawn is there. An apartment or a flat is a house in a multi-storied building. Multi-storied building is called apartment. So children, here is the materials that are used for making pakka house, like bricks, cement, steel, iron, concrete, and the wood. Apartment, tall buildings with small houses. They are built in cities where no enough space is available. If the space is less, so we will make a apartment. And the bungalow, big house. Bungalow is called a big house, or big house is called bungalow, and they are built outside the cities where enough space is available. And next is stilt house. Stilt house are house on high bamboo poles called stilts. Here you will see that high bamboo poles are here. Bamboo poles are called stilts, and we find them in places with heavy rainfalls. In which region there is a heavy rainfall, from there stilt house are built. And the igloos are a house which is made up of a snow, and they are built in a extremely cold places. Houses on stilts. These houses are found in the region with heavy rains and the constant floods. And the igloos are made up of snow, and they are built in polar region. Polar regions are very cold regions where it is extremely cold, and their dome shape helps to keep warm inside. So children, here we have learnt about the types of houses, and there are so many types of houses. After that you will do this activity that is given in your page, and what you have to do in this activity, name the kinds of houses shown below. So children, you will see many types of houses are there, and you will write a name of the house in the given blanks. So children, I hope you have understood the topic, that are the kind of houses. So children, thank you.